Hello friends, today we discuss the topic syllogism. In this topic, we have to determine the conclusions on the basis of some given statement. As on the board, you can see that this topic always deal with the help of the Venn diagram. Now, first we have to learn how we can draw the Venn diagrams. Suppose here a statement is given some A or B. Some A or B. For this topic, we divide the diagram into two types, basic diagram and alternate diagram. The definition of basic diagram is this: as the statement is say, we have to draw as it is in the diagram. Here some A or B means some part of A is related with B, which is shown in this diagram. But this diagram can also be drawn by this. In this diagram, this statement is also correct. Here also we can say that the A in this portion are also B, means some A or B can be drawn by this diagram also. As in the statement number second, all A or B means all A or B, given condition is like this. Now we can define this statement with the help of this diagram also, but the difference is in this statement given is only some A or B, but in the alternate diagram we draw all B or A, which is not given, and in this statement given is all A or B. Here all A or B is showing, but all B or A is also showing. So the definition of basic diagram is the statement as it is shown in the diagram is called basic diagram. Other than basic diagram, all the diagrams are called alternate diagram. Now when these diagrams are used is defined by the examples. Suppose here we can use one special note that all the positive conclusions always checked by basic diagram only. All the positive conclusions always checked by basic diagrams only means if there is not and no. If in the conclusion there is not and no word is present, then it is called negative conclusion. But if there is not and no word is not present, it is called the positive conclusion. For example, suppose a statement is given all A are B, and second statement is some B are C. Now according to this statement we have to check conclusion. First conclusion is some B are A, and second conclusion is some A are C. Now here we see that all the conclusions are positive, so we can use only basic diagram. For this question, our basic diagram is all A are B, and second statement some B are C. It is our basic diagram. Why it is basic diagram? Because we use the statement as it is. There is the only relation between all A are B and the second statement denotes B are C. If we draw the diagram like this, in this also all A are B is clear, some B are C is clear, but it is our alternate diagram because we create the relation between A and C in this diagram, which is not given in the statement. So according to the statement, the diagram is basic diagram, and other than the basic diagram, all diagrams are called alternate diagram. Now we return a note, all the positive conclusions always checked by basic diagram. Both the conclusions are positive, so we use only basic diagram. First conclusion, sum B R A. Obviously sum B R A is correct, sum A R C. Now if we use alternate diagram, A and C are connect, it is true on the basis of alternate diagram, but for positive conclusion we will use only basic diagram. So our answer should be come by basic diagram. Sum A R C, A and C is not connect, so second conclusion is not true. So this is the basic note or basic information for handling this topic. Now one by one get another examples. In this topic there are 4 types of options. I written first 4 options here. Our A option is only conclusion 1 is true. Second, only true, or we can write follow also. Only conclusion second is follow. C option, both 1 and second follow, and D option, none follow. So now for all the questions we have to answering from these 4 options. Now take one by one examples. Here we write statement. First statement is all A are B. Second statement, all A are C. Now on the basis of these 2 statements we have to find first and second conclusion, correct or incorrect. Our first conclusion is all B are C. Second conclusion, sum B are C. Friends, we know that here all the conclusions are positive, so we use only the basic diagram. All A are B, all A are B can be denoted by this. Now all A are C, that means this A can be denoted by C, all A are C. Now the conclusion first, all B are C, here all B are C is not clear. Second conclusion, sum B are C, obviously B and C are connect. So for this question our answer should be option B, in which only conclusion B is follow or only conclusion second is follow. So our answer is option B. Now take next example. Suppose question is on the basis of these options. First statement is all pens are roads. All pens are roads. All roads are houses. All roads are houses. Our first conclusion, all houses are pen. Second conclusion, some houses are pen. On the basis of these 2 statements we have to find the 2 conclusions. Now for this we make basic diagram. All pens are road means all pens are road and all roads are houses, means diagram should be just like this, all roads are house. Now on the basis of this diagram, all houses are pen, all houses are pen, it is wrong. Some houses are pen, obviously some houses are pen is correct. So for these questions our answer should be option B, only conclusion second is follow. Now take next example. Some tens are pen, some pens are root, some pens are roots. On the basis of these two statements, we have to find first no road is tin and all tens are roads. We have to find these two conclusions. Now first we make the basic diagram. Some tens are pen, some tens are pen and some pens are road. It is our basic diagram. But according to the conclusion here, this conclusion is negative conclusion, this conclusion is positive conclusion. So our note, all positive conclusion checked by only basic diagram. So the conclusion number second should be checked by this diagram. All tens are road, their tin and road is not connect. So second conclusion is wrong. For the first conclusion, no road is tin, it is the negative conclusion. So we have to draw the alternate diagram also, because from this conclusion, from this diagram, this conclusion is correct. But when we draw the alternate diagram, this statement can be made by this diagram also. Now by the alternate diagram we can say this conclusion is wrong. By the basic diagram we can say this conclusion is correct. So there is no 100% surety. So the conclusion 1 is also wrong, because tin and road can be connected, can be, there is the possibility. So we cannot say that no road is tin 100% is correct. So for this question our answer should be option D, both the conclusion are not follow. Now take next example. A statement is given, some sabers are bombs. Some sabers are bombs. Second statement, key is a saber. Now we have to check two conclusions. First conclusion, some bombs are sabers. Second conclusion, some keys are bombs. Now first we make the basic diagram. Some sabers are bombs. Some sabers are bombs. And second, key is a saber. So friends, we can connect key only in the circle of the saber, because in the statement there is no relation between key and bomb. So we cannot draw a relation between key and bomb in diagram also. Now both conclusions are positive, so we can conclude this only by basic diagram. Some bombs are sabers, some bombs are sabers is correct. Some keys are bombs, keys and bombs are not connect. So conclusion second is wrong. So for this question our answer should be option A, conclusion 1 is follow. Take next example. Statement is all lenses are horns. And second statement, no horn is colorful. On the basis of these two statements, we have to find these two conclusions. First conclusion, some lenses are colorful. Some lenses are colorful. Second statement is no lens is colorful. Now first we draw the basic diagram. All lenses are horns, means all lenses are horns and no horn is colorful. There is no relation between horn and colorful. Now the first conclusion, some lenses are colorful. When we can say that lenses and colorful cannot connect, so first conclusion is wrong. Second, no lens is colorful. No lens is colorful means lens is covered by horns and horns cannot be connected with color. So it is sure that lens and color cannot be connect. So the conclusion second is correct. So for this question our answer should be option B. Only second conclusion is correct. No lens is colorful because lens cannot be connected with color in any condition, because all lens are covered by horns and horns cannot connect with color. And this conclusion is positive. Some lenses are colorful, lens and colorful are not connect. So conclusion 1 is not correct by the help of basic diagram. So for this question our answer should be option B. A statement is given. First statement is all floods are smarts. All floods are smarts. Second statement is all smarts are rotten. All smarts are rotten. Now we have to check the conclusion. First conclusion is all rotten are floods. And second conclusion is all smarts are floods. Now first we draw the diagram. All floods are smart. All floods are smart. All smarts are rotten means all smarts are rotten. Can be like this. So it is our basic diagram. Now all rotten are floods. With this diagram we can easily say that conclusion 1 is not correct. All smarts are floods. This conclusion is also not correct. So for this question our answer should be both the conclusion are wrong. Now take next example. All puppies are dogs. All puppies are dogs. All dogs are trained. All dogs are trained. Now with the help of this statement we have to conclude. First conclusion, some trained are puppies. Some trained are puppies. Second, all trained are puppies. Now first draw the diagram. All puppies are dogs. All puppies are dog. All dogs are trained. All dogs are trained. It is our basic diagram. Now, according to the diagram, first some trained are puppies. Some trained are puppies is correct, and all trained are puppies is not correct conclusion. So, with the help of this diagram, we conclude that only conclusion 1 is correct. Now, take next example. Some P R S and all S R T. It is our statement. Now, according to this statement, we have to check first conclusion, some P R T, and second all P R T. Now, make the basic diagram. Some P R S and all S R T can be denoted by this, or we can make diagram just like this, all P R S and all S R T. Now, conclusion, some P R T is correct, P and T are correct. All PRT should be wrong because all P are not T, some PRT is correct. So, for this question, our answer only conclusion 1 is correct. Take next example. All advocates are obese, some obese are priests. Now, we have to check first, some advocates are priests, and second, some priests are advocate. Some priests are advocate. Now, first draw the diagram. All advocates are obese and some obese are priests. Some obese are priests. So, this is our Venn diagram for this statement. Now, conclusion, some advocate are priest. Advocate and priest are not connect. So, first conclusion is wrong. In the same, second conclusion is also wrong. So, our answer should be both conclusion are wrong. Now, take next example. All coins are cows. All coins are crows. Second, some crows are pens. These are the two statements. Conclusion are, no pen is coin. No pen is coin, and all coins are pens. Now, first draw the diagram. All coins are crows. And some crows are pens. Some crows are pens. This is our basic diagram. So, our second conclusion, it is a positive conclusion. So, we can check by only basic diagram. All coins are pen. All coins are pen is not showing. Second is incorrect. Now, no pen is coin. With the basic diagram, we can say it is right, but it is negative conclusion. So, we have to draw the alternate diagram also. The alternate diagram we can draw like this. Here, all coins are crow, statement is correct. Some crows are pen, statement is correct. But here, conclusion number 1, no pen is coin is not correct. So, we can say that overall the conclusion 1 is not correct. So, our answer for this question is option both the conclusion are not follow. Now take next example. All magicians are dumb. All magicians are dumb. Some magicians are educated. Some magicians are educated. Now first conclusion, some dumb are magicians and some educated are dumb. Now first we have to draw the diagram. All magicians are dumb. All magicians are dumb. Some magicians are educated. Some magicians are educated. This is our diagram. Now first conclusion, some dumb are magicians. It is correct because this part is common. Some dumb are magicians and some educated are dumb. Some educated are dumb because this part showing the person, some educated are dumb. So for this question our answer, both the conclusion is correct. Now take next example. Conclusion, some books are pencil. Some books are pencil, some pencils are pen. Some pencils are pen. We have to conclude first, all books are pens. All books are pen. Some pens are books. Some pens are books. Now first draw the diagram. Some books are pencil. And some pencils are pen. It is the diagram for this statement. Now conclusion, all books are pen. All books are pen is not correct. Some pens are books, pen and book is not correct. So both the conclusion are wrong. Our answer should be none follow. Now take next example. Some men are educated. Some men are educated. Educated persons prefer small families. These are the two statements. Now on the basis of these statements, we have to check all small families are educated. All small families are educated, and second is some men prefer small families. Some men prefer small families. Now first we have to draw the diagram. Some men are educated means some men are educated and educated persons prefer small families. Those persons who are educated, they prefer a small family. So for this question our basic diagram is this. Now all small families are educated? No, all small families are not educated. All educated persons prefer small families. So first conclusion is wrong. Some men prefer small families. Obviously, those men who are educated, they have to prefer small family. So our conclusion number second is correct. So for this question, only conclusion second is correct, our answer. Now, our conclusion is all wives are red. All wives are red. All red are flowers. And third statement is no flowers are tablets. Now we have to find the conclusion. Conclusion number 1 is some flowers are wives. Second conclusion is no tablets are wives. Third conclusion is some red are wives. And fourth conclusion is some tablets are red. Some tablets are red. Now, according to these three statements, we have to find the four conclusions. First, all wives are red. First, we have to draw the diagram. All wives are red. All red are flowers. All red are flowers. No flower is tablet, means there is no connection between flower and tablet. Now, according to the diagram, some flowers are wives. Flower and wives connected. First conclusion is correct. Second, no tablets is wives. Obviously, wives is covered with the tablet and flower is not connect to the tablet. So we can say that second conclusion is also correct, because the tablet and wives cannot be connect in any situation. Third is some red are wives. Obviously, red and wives are connected. Third conclusion is correct. Some tablets are red. It is positive conclusion. Tablets and red is not correct. So our fourth conclusion is not correct. So for this question, our answer should be only first, second and third conclusion are correct. Fourth is incorrect. Now take next example. Suppose statement is all pencils are birds. All pencils are birds. All birds are skies. Third statement is all skies are hills. Now conclusion. First conclusion which have to check, all pencils are hills. Second conclusion, all hills are birds. Third conclusion, all skies are pencils. All skies are pencils. Now we have to check the conclusion with the help of diagram. All pencils are birds. We can define by diagram. All pencils are birds. All birds are skies. All birds are skies, and all skies are hills. It is the basic diagram for this statement. Now all pencils are hills, all pencils are covered by hills, so conclusion number 1 is correct. All hills are birds, all hills are birds, it is not correct because all birds are hills, but all hills are birds is not correct. Second is incorrect. All skies are pencils, all skies are pencils, it is also incorrect. So our conclusion number 1 is only correct. Now move on the next example. Question is statement number 1, all A are B. Second statement, no B is C. Third statement, all D are C. Now we have to check the conclusion on the basis of this first conclusion. No A is D, and second conclusion, some B are D. Now first we have to make the diagram. All A are B, no B is C, and all D are C, means our diagram is like this. Now with the help of this diagram we can check. No A is D, A is covered by B, and B and C cannot connect. D is covered by C, C and B cannot connect. So first conclusion is correct. No A is D, A and D cannot be connect in any situation. Second, some B are D, positive conclusion. B and D is not connect, so second conclusion is wrong. So for this question our answer is option A, only one conclusion is correct. Now take next example. Our statement is some A are B. Second, no B is C. Now we have to check conclusion. First conclusion is some B are A, and second conclusion, some A are not C. Here third conclusion, some A are C. Now first we have to make the diagram. Some A are B and no B is C. It is our diagram. Now condition, some A are B, some A are B and no B is C, our diagram. First conclusion, some B are A, positive conclusion, B and A are connect, so first conclusion is correct. Some A are not C. Friend, in this we have to find the part of A which cannot be connected with C. Here we can easily say that A and B are combined, so with this portion A and B both are connect, so the A of this portion, A of this portion cannot be connected with C, so our conclusion number second is correct. Conclusion number third, positive conclusion, some A are C, A and C is not connect, so our conclusion number second is incorrect. So today we discuss the topic Silog and we discuss the statement and conclusion. On the basis of statement we check the conclusions. Thank you.